Children, we are going to continue the lesson geography, first lesson, that is have you all learnt this lithosphere endogenetic process. Here in this lithosphere we are seeing this endogenetic process. Here in this previously itself we saw about the rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks and the formation of rocks, how they formed, understand, and also what are the uses of the rocks, how it changed, the igneous rocks it changed into metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock it changed into metamorphic rock, that and all we saw the uses of rocks, we saw the rock cycle also we saw, and the plate boundaries. They are two types of plate boundaries, the plate movement, tectonic movement we saw, and apart from that now we are going to see about the along with that the earthquake and the volcano, these are also called as one of the type of the earth movements, understand. One we will see it now, that is earthquake. This earthquake was generally caused by the sudden vibration of the earth. The earthquake is caused by the sudden vibration of the earth is called as earthquake, and the origin, the point of origin which the earthquake is called as focus, point of origin. எங்க ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்றோம்ல, origin of the earthquake is called as focus, which the earthquake it started, the point it is called as the focus, understand, and the epicenter is called as the point above the focus, above the focus is called as epicenter. So you have to understand these words first. What is earthquake? Earthquake is a sudden vibration, அதிர்வு சொல்றோம்ல, sudden vibration of the earth, that is called as earthquake, understand, and the point which the origin of the earthquake is called as focus. See all of you, the point of the earthquake of the origin is called as earthquake is called as the focus, understand, and above the focus is called as the epicenter, the point above the focus, focus ku mele, above the focus, that place, understand, the center of the place is called as the epicenter. So you have to know the words for what is focus, first what is earthquake and what is focus and what is epicenter, understand. Next we are going to see about the seismic waves. There are, the earthquake generates seismic what we can say, seismic waves. EQ போட்டனா earthquake தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் நீங்க, understand, earthquake generate, this earthquake generate seismic waves. Accordingly there are three major types of seismic waves. How many types of that? There are three major types of seismic waves. They are called as primary, first one, primary or P waves, primary or P waves. Second one, secondary or S waves, and the third one surface waves or L waves. So these are the three types of seismic waves. The earthquake generates seismic waves, that is the vibration of the earthquake. Understand what are it will cause? It causes the surface, that is the waves, seismic waves. There are three types of seismic waves. They are the primary, or we can say it as P waves, and secondary, or we can say it as S waves, and the third one is surface waves, or we can say it as L waves. One by one we can see it now. First one is primary waves. This primary waves are fastest of all the waves, and we can see in the epicenter. The primary waves we can see in the epicenter, and it will pass through liquid, solids, passes through liquid, solids and gases. It will push or pull, both the activities, push or pull the surface of the earth, and it is what we can say. So these are all about the primary waves or P waves. What are the items in what are the characters of the primary waves or P waves? They are the fastest waves among all the three waves. What are the three waves? Primary waves, secondary waves and surface waves. Among the three waves, the primary waves are the fastest waves. Understand? And it will cause in the epicenter, the middle point, the center point of the focus. It is epicenter. And this primary waves, it passes through liquids, solids as well as gases. It will passes through all these three, and both the movement it will have, it will push the places, and also it will pull the places. Can you able to follow? The primary waves push பண்ணவும் செய்யும், pull பண்ணவும் செய்யும். So it is both the activities it will do. So these are all the characters of the primary waves. Now we will see the secondary waves. What are the secondary waves? What are the characters? The secondary waves, it will passes through only in solids, not in the liquids. Passes only the solids, and it was place ground perpendicular. It will push or primary waves enna paathom, it will push or pull. Understand? But this secondary waves, they are perpendicular direction which they propagate. Okay, can you able to follow? And its average velocity is 5 kilometer, 1 kilometer per second to 5 kilometer per second. 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer per second. And this primary waves velocity is 5.3. இதோட velocity என்னன்னு பார்க்கிறோம். 5.3 kilometer to 10.6 kilometer per second. The primary waves, that fast நம்ம சொன்னோம்ல, the fastest among these waves, well, the velocity is 5.3 kilometer to 10.6 kilometer per second. ஒரு செகண்ட்ல அவ்வளோ ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக அது போகுமா primary waves. Secondary waves என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம், only it will passes through the solids, and on the ground surface it will passes through in perpendicular. Understand? Perpendicular side only. And the average velocity of secondary waves, they are from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer per second. So these are the characteristics of secondary waves. And now the third one, the surface waves. This surface waves or otherwise it is called as L waves. Understand? It is also somewhat the character of, it will have the character of P waves, and it will primarily on the ground surface only. On the ground surface, and it can travel comparatively slower and or most destructive waves. It is slower and destructive. What is destructive? Azhikkakoodiya thanmai. Understand? Destructive waves they are. The average velocity is 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer per seconds. That is slower, I told you. Understand? The surface waves, it is otherwise called as L waves. So, they are, it will have the same characters of P waves. Understand? And say they are somewhat slower, and it will happen only on the ground surface, not the underground of the earth. Earth kadila kadiyadu. It is happening on the ground surface only, and it is slower, not faster. It is slower, and slower vandalum it will cause much destruction. Understand? This L waves, that is surface. அது பேரே இருக்கு, surfaceனாலே என்ன, பூமிக்கு மேலே தான். Understand? The surface of the earth. So, it will give cause more destructive. And I told you it is a slower wave. So, it is per second la எவ்வளோ கிலோமீட்டர் தான் போகுது? 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer only. Understand? Have you all understand about this? The earthquake, it is the sudden vibration of the earth, and the point of the origin of the earthquake is called as focus. Above the focus, the center of the point is called as epicenter, I told you. And there are three types of this earthquake generates what we can say seismic waves. There are three types of seismic waves. They are primary or P waves, secondary or S waves, and surface waves, or otherwise it is called as L waves. Understand? And primary waves, they are fastest, and it will occur in the epicenter, the place of the epicenter, and it will pass us through liquids, soil and gases. Understand? And it will push or pull, okay, the character. And it is the velocity, the average velocity of this is 5.3 kilometer to 10.6 kilometer per second. And the second one is secondary or S waves. They will pass us through only the solids, okay, and it is passes through the ground perpendicular feature, and the average velocity is from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer per second. And the third one is surface waves. It is otherwise called as L waves. It is having some characters of the P waves, okay, and it will cause it will happen only on the ground surface, on the surface of the earth, and it is somewhat slower, only slower, and it is caused much destruction. Understand? Much destructive waves, and the average velocity is from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer per second. These are all about the earthquake. Understand? And next we will pass on to tsunami. Have you heard about tsunami, children? Yes, very good. Somebody are saying in 2004 a great tsunami was occurred in Indian Ocean. The area, Indonesia, Andaman, all the places, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the Bay of Bengal, we got this tsunami. Tsunami பேர் கேட்டாலே பயமா இருக்குல்ல நமக்கு. Yes. Now we'll see about the tsunami. Tsunami is the Japanese word meaning the term harbor waves. It is a Japanese word means harbor waves. It will occur in the harbor. Harbor na beach, ocean. Understand? So it is called as tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word. And this tsunami, it is a seismically generated earthquake waves caused by the submarine, caused in the submarine, what we can say, the earthquake, submarine and landslide. So this tsunami causes earthquake, submarine, the earthquake, submarine, and we can see in the landslides also. The velocity, the length of the tsunami will pass on 600 meter, 600 kilometer. We can see it from 600 kilometer. And height எவ்வளோ தூரம் போகுமா? It will go on to 15 meter height. 15 meter, அப்போ எவ்வளோ ஹைட்டு, பனை மரத்தெலாம் தாண்டி ஹைட்டாக. Have you seen the palm tree, coconut tree? Coconut tree will be somewhat low only, lower than palm tree. Palm tree, பனை மரம் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? எவ்வளோ ஹைட்டாக இருக்கும், பனை மரத்துக்கும் மேலே 15 meter height வரைக்கும் அந்த சுனாமி போகுமா. The waves of the ocean. Understand? It is called as tsunami. Okay. So, it will occur more than 15 meter near the seashore. Seashore lala avlo height ku the tsunami will occur, and it causes much distraction. Distraction enna நம்ம பேரழிவு சொல்றோம்ல, அழிவு. Most of the nearby area, the coastal region, the full, even the buildings, the height buildings, the flats, எல்லாமே என்ன, எல்லாம் டேமேஜ் ஆகிடும். டோட்டலி they will be damaged. Understand? Because of the tsunami. ஏன்னா பனைமர ஹைட்டுக்கு அந்த வேவ்ஸ் வந்தால் என்ன ஆகும், எவ்வளோ ஹைட்டில் இருந்தால் கூட அது ஃபுல்லாக தண்ணி போயிடும் உள்ள. Understand? Near the coastal areas. Okay. So, it will cause much distraction. And we heard that in 2014, கேள்விப்பட்டீங்களா? நீங்கள்லாம் அப்போ பிறந்திருக்க மாட்டீங்கன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். In 2014, Indian Ocean, there was occurred a great tsunami. And அந்த tsunami என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, 6th largest tsunami among the world. 6th largest tsunami among the whole world. Many countries tsunami வந்திருக்கலாம். Understand? The whole world. அதில் இந்த 2004 இந்தியன் ஓஷனில் வந்த tsunami is the 6th largest tsunami because it affected all over the areas near the coastline of the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, totally the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, you know, and totally it was damaged, and many places they went inside the earth, in the water, it closed all over the places. Even the Indonesia and the island of Indonesia, that Sumatra, Java, all the islands, they were vanished because of water. அதெல்லாம் நம்ம பேப்பரில் நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். நீங்கள் கூட இஃப் யூ கோ டு கூகுளில் போய்ட்டு நீங்கள் யூடியூப்பில் 2000 சுனாமி அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா யூ கேன் see the pictures and நியூஸ் about tsunami of 2004. If you want to see, you can see in the Google map. Google mapல நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம் what are the places they were vanished because of the water, oceanic water, the waves of tsunami. You can see. Understand? எப்போ அது நடந்தது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 2004 December 26th of December it occurred. Understand? After the next day of the Christmas, and many people they lost their life, and more than சும்மா சொல்கிறாங்க 2,80,000 people. That is, it is approximately they are saying, not it is not correct. More than that, எவ்வளோ lakhs of people they lost their life. Many people they lost the even the buildings, houses, car எல்லாமே போச்சு. Understand? And சும்மா approximately they are saying nearly 2,80,000 people they lost their life அப்படின்ட்டு they are saying. And more than it fast, எவ்வளோ ஃபாஸ்ட்டில் அந்த சுனாமி அடிச்சதுன்னு சொன்னால் 600 kilometer fast. Okay, these are all about tsunami.